If you've got an old wrecked floor plug like this plastic one and you're needing to replace it, you could try this one. I got it on Amazon, and the base set down in that piece of conduit just perfect. Just did one little knockout, brought my wires up and through. This connects like you'd expect, with the neutrals on one side, the ground, and then the load here on the other side. And then the way this will attach to the floor, it's got this raised up piece here with this screw. And then the plate is gonna sit right on there, and it's gonna line up with that screw hole right there. And then you've got two others here as well. And that's gonna mount that, keep it right there flush on the ground. So I'll go ahead and connect up the rest of the wires and then tighten this down and show you how it looks. Well, so got everything installed. These 3 screws hold it down. And got your 2 caps here if you want to cover off one of the plugs. And fits in there nice and snug. It's definitely going to do the job for us here. Hope that helps learn a little bit more about this brass cover floor receptacle. Have a great day.